Romeo X-Ray. The top 5 on my outgappers list, the only ones that are in the dark green are the only ones that are up more than 10%. Obviously, MBIO being up around 200% right now, which is up way more than that. It was up way more than that. But look at the volume traded on these names. We are not open. Opening print for Hexo was a buy. Let's see where we're at with MBIO, folks. Expect some volatility. I do expect a lot of risk off in this name at some point. Afria ticking up higher. VFF, that's another name that I'm really interested in. Remember, they got hit on that Citron news. Right? They got hit on that Citron news, so there's value in that name.